Welcome back to Durango Electro-Culture. Just a little harvest quickie for today. Okay, we got a few things to harvest. 3 different peppers in there. Hungarian hot wax, little Thais, and cayenne. Look at those babies. Looking good. And then, of course, blue corn. This is a Hopi Aztec blue. It's Zea maize, and it's wonderful. Got a few of them. A couple here. Blue Hubbard. Right there. Little tomatoes. Very pretty. A couple of red curry over here. And then some more Hopi blue, Aztec blue. And there you have it. Easy peasy, breezy. Ta-da! And there's more out there.